let's take a brief glimpse into my clean impact template. I've designed this template to be a clean, timeless image where the subject's name, face, and school details can really stand out. This has some subtle details in the background. There are a few options you can pick from. So this one you see is a universal arena that'll work for just about any sport played under lights. If I shut that off, you can also select a classic gym background with some subtle hardwood floors and rafters. There's also some clouds for any sports played outside in the middle of the day, for example, golf, cross country, and such. Or you can shut it off and import your own background if you'd want to. One cool feature this has is that there are built-in shadows for your subject. So for example, if the subject is standing a little bit more to the side, these shadows can move with your subject. And they're built to be able to position underneath any subject. So for example, if I shut her off and I import my own subject, here's a guy standing here. I'm going to drag and drop him into the template and position him where I think looks good. Something like that. And then again, I'd position these shadows to fit underneath his feet. Let's shut off my background subject here, grab another image of him here, and drag and drop that into the template, and then position him where he looks good. Of course, these colors all change easily too. So for example, I'll change this rectangle to a red, change up his name, and any other details that I want to change. There's a full tutorial included with the instant download that'll walk you through all the steps of modifying any of these layers and changing any of these colors to fit your subject. If you're looking for something clean and impactful, this is the template for you. And it can be as simple and easy as that to adjust to your subject. There are built-in cropping guides that allow you to print any standard size print that you want from one single file. And you can print up to 10-foot banners with this if you'd want. There are a ton of ways you can customize this, and it can fit nearly any sport. Hope you enjoy it.